problem with the lazy spot. It's been leaking. I've replaced washers, washer and washer there. These all three were leaking. They're not leaking now. I've got a leak from underneath here. So I've got to now take this out because I'm going to replace the impeller wheel with it. So there you go. Okay, there's the pump. I'm going to take this off now. So, I've got to drop down there. Luckily, on a magnet. I've got it. Oh, I've got it there. That one. That should come easily out. Like that. And then just pull that off like that. Easy. Either throw them away or put them in a box somewhere. And we've got the gaskets here. And these gaskets are for this. If I can get them off. Oh, that's just broke. They've gone hard. So they're no good anymore. They've lost any tension or that elasticity in them. Right, try to get that over there. Moving hard, break them. Oh. There you go, done. That's that done. And now we want no good. Gone brittle. Okay, we just put that there. Take the old impeller out. It doesn't bad really anyway. And put the new one in. I mean, I don't think there's any notch on that for that. I think it just drops straight in. Make sure they're on, yeah, straight in. I've just got to get that right. Because if we don't, it's not sitting right, it's not going to work. I admit I don't like this gasket at all. It's, what name's that? I don't want it flirting and moving. Yeah, because there's no groove on this side. At all. I'll put a bit of glue on it or something. I think that is it. I'm going to check again. Yes, it is. Okay, now everything else really is just a matter of a reversal of everything you've just done. So I'm going to put this on now, and then we can have a look at it after it's done. Take these off. What's that there? Right, they've got nuts underneath. Okie doke. So just be careful. You don't drop these little nuts. That one's got a washer on, but none of these have. Oh yes, they have there. I suggest you put them in a better place than I am on there, in case you lose them. And then it should, there you go, come apart. Okay, there's one of the gaskets that could be leaking. And there is the impeller, the one I've got. Looks like a bit different. Let's have a look. It's also magnetic. If you lose anything down there, you can use that to get it out. Right, replaced everything in there, the impeller, the little rubber gaskets. I've had to replace that because it broke when I put it on. It wasn't a very good Jubilee clip. The thing I'm worried about is this here. If the rubber washer is gone in there, so when the water goes through, it starts to leak. So, hopefully everything's alright. If not, you're going to have to change the rubber washer gasket in this one. But hopefully, it should all be okay. Make sure when you put this on, you put it on correctly as well. Okay, I know they all line up, the screws. Don't forget that you've got a notch on. It goes in this notch here. There you go. That's it. And now we're going to put the screws on. Okay, it's been a few days now, and everything seems to be working fine. No problems, no leaks or anything else. Not doing any today, raining outside. Anyway, everything seems to be okay for now.